One thing that people really don't know about music, we watch the fall of great men to rise. Write it in your books so that you learn from what I'm teaching you. Don't see it like I'm just saying. We learn from the fall of great men to rise. Me, you see this I talk? Nobody ever tell me. Aponkye, you black Rasta, my chain they worry you. Say you go back expensive. Black Rasta, this my chain, eh? You know the cost. You know the cost. You understand me? You know the cost. But I see $120,000. Eh? You know if you do one, so just don't envy. Because you that can come on radio and can be saying, fireborn, Babylon, fireborn. You did that way, you go talk, say, ministers the smoke. That boy, because of you, I like this thing. Ministers the smoke. Ministers, so they smoke, the minister, the parliamentarians, and I recall you go parliament, you say, you were in the heat of the moment. Ashawo Aponkye.
Abusianfo I say yesi asem kesi besi anaya na franka ensi so ma munua munim ye nua be maka ne ye fe ne bandana enne ai Ghana Shatta Wale aka ne ho bio na enne de kasa na wo kasa no ankofo obi ase black Rasta otumu se past no won se otumu se won sem bi wa akokan fa Shatta Wale ho a black Rasta akokan fa Shatta Wale ho a as a guy no onyi ne nim be reply, but this time around he has come hard on black Rasta. E kan insem di wakabi make me person be free me mano. Who person with TV? Or see, it's not to be called a Rasta black a wise man. Sabi, young first man, foolish man. You see no thing. I have a video now. Shatta Wale yin na kumu. We yin you. Hey, or blast black Rasta.
Everybody is learning, so you want to also learn. Maybe your destiny is that you shouldn't learn, but you'll be rich. Destiny, is your destiny, destiny. People don't know. Go and ask people who have met destiny, they'll tell you. Sometimes, when you be youth, you think stupidly. When you be youth, you think like this thing. But mommy, I not go before. But I see what the way they see life, the way they learn from life, See, one thing that people really don't know about music, we watch the fall of great men to rise. Write it in your books so that you learn from what I'm teaching you. Don't see it like I'm just saying. We learn from the fall of great men to rise. Me, you see this I talk? Nobody ever tell me. Even me, I tell myself, it's check. We learn from the fall of great men to rise. Write it in your books. Sometimes people they see me say, I do yellow hair and green hair, some guy anyway, diamond earring and wear diamond chain. You black Rasta, my chain they worry you. Say you go back expensive. Black Rasta, this my chain, You know the cost. You know the cost. You understand me? You know the cost. But I see $120,000. You know if you do one, so just don't envy. Just don't envy. This one alone. This one alone. This one. So I'm my SM for life. This one I do one because the love with my fans get for me. He said, "Pastor, the one said my heart they pay me." Shouts to Mr. Coleman, man. Y'all got some joy, like crazy shit, man. People start talking about it. Say I make money and I just buy all this shit, my nigga. Like you don't understand branding. So shut up. No get me say you want to do music. If you say music, you be smarting. You put it there because they say YouTube. So everybody go register for YouTube. Now YouTube now. Some put the video 6 months and they get $3. 6 months, they get $3. If you say it be time and dedication. Time and dedication. Time. PUNYVA. Time. Dedication. JKBAYAVUTK. Dedication. They dead. Every day people want to talk somebody matter. People want to make the matter look like, oh no, Shatta Wale there. And I mean, the way, you know, like challenge, the way you come there, that was like, you watch me, I come there, TV top, they talk, see, and then they be foolish there. That was that. Sometimes, Charlie, if I watch the way they talk to human beings, so, you understand me? Because you see life, it not be by force, you understand me? It not be by my might, See, I won't make fans no say, Charlie, the thing they do for me, I they make my things they go on for me, so I they make my fans they know. That's why if I catch out, right now, I don't want to give friends help money, because plenty people they can't be around me as friends. Where I give them money, so me to they say, Charlie, we grow up together, and they watch my pocket. For me, I know I won't give fans. But man, the money they make, not be say government they give me or something. But man, I did try because Ghana, my music all they play for 50 years. I make 30,000 dollars for music. Like if you say I go buy chain where, don't feel like that. People know me as I start wear fake chain before I start not like this. Original. China. Man, Jimmy, will not see yourself like you watch yourself like you won't show man like you won't convince people, make people say me, I don't get sense. I don't get sense. I don't get sense, but I'm living in America right now. Nigga, I'm living the best life, nigga. Like I'm counting papers, nigga, like I got some good girls around me, nigga. I got some good people around me, nigga. I'm living life, nigga. So you wait did that way, people say, Shatta, the way he did foolishly, and you watch your own human being brother way they insult him like that. Hey, if you wicked do well, you insult me. Oh, you insult me when we are visiting. Oh, my brother, what have I done to you? What have I done? If there's anything, just talk to me, my brother. What have I done? What have I? You go interview, did they ask you something? Say me, I know they help fans. I know they help fans. Go check out. If you say we did the bad man, we know the hype. We know they do nonsense things. We hype and let me help. The things I'm doing on the streets, you don't have an idea. Just because people want to paint a picture for Shatta Wale. So every time, in Ghana, Charlie Ghana, make I tell you something. Wake up. Wake up. Because the ideology behind the country is very bad. You know what I mean? The mindsets in that country is very bad because we don't love ourselves. And it's a fact, like everybody keeps saying, don't you people see it? Like it's sad. You understand me? See what Black Rasta they do. Black Rasta way fight me. And those days way, Charlie, Black Rasta day top way they fight me. He's a fucking coward. Stupid coward. Foolish man. Kwasia bulu ni look about no more dollar to. Come on. That nonsense thing. Where they do, where people no fit point out for you, and they won't point out for you. Black Rasta and anybody where they make you just tell them this for me. See, I say he's a foolish boy. He's not even a wise man. And he can never reach a wise man's step. Because you that can come on radio and can be saying, fire burn, Babylon, fire burn, fire burn. You did that way, you go talk, say, ministers the smoke. That's why because of you I like this thing. Ministers the smoke. Ministers, so they smoke, the minister, the parliamentarians, and I recall you go parliament, you say you were in the heat of the moment. Abua, Ashawo Aponkye. Ana Aponkye Ashawo. Minister the smoke. You should have told them in their faces that y'all, I know y'all smoke weed and shit like that. Arrest me, lock me. I know mine, I talk the truth. What's ya? Fake Rasta. Fake Rasta. Or you think the Rasta be what? Rasta be about smoking. Rasta no be about talking about smoking. Rasta no be about talking about somebody will be righteous and somebody will. Rasta no be about live this life and live this life and don't live this life. Rasta no be about wearing tuma and wear some rag on your head and come do like one show say you be Rasta man. That is not Rasta. My nigga, that is not Rasta. Rasta is here. That be Rasta. Wait, Jimmy and Angosia. Why not just say Rasta? Who just say Rasta they believe like that? No, this is a Kalonji them. So like if you knock you some gold ring, make your heart cut. Go check. You know who be Rasta? Rasta get property. Rasta get farms. Rasta they work hard. Rasta know they watch system. Rasta they move in things in safe. When Rasta be conscious. Rasta they in corner. Rasta they calculate how Rasta go make money and Rasta go watch family and Rasta go get. You know how many Rastas where the people you put the call Rastas where they Ghana where they from Jamaica where they get money. Y'all don't know anything. You can't take that. You can't preach something. You know what is Rasta? Your name says you have to change from black Rasta to black pasta. Therefore, take you do Indomie and cook for dogs. Make dogs eat you. That is black pasta. You are a pasta. I'm not saying pasta away. You know they understand me pasta because you don't go Italy before. Mo italiano soprano, Milano, Silano, Italiano. Huh? You do around and you make us speak Italy. You are a pasta. And you are being cooked. And until you go say the cook you finish. That way you go say the cook you be pasta. The Martino pasta. No other pasta is better. Makirita man, you are a pasta. You are not a Rasta. You are not even black. You are not even black. You are just a clay. We I don't know which color, yellow or shia. You know they respect yourself at all. Bad man. You don't respect yourself at all. You watch me, big man like me, go to see TV, and they do foolishly, and they do. You know what be foolishly? A black master. Hey, your work you work or come show him. Come show him. You know what they think about the youth pass everybody for Ghana inside. The youth know. You fool, you Jimmy, I don't know what hate you get. Those days I don't get but man, they insult me. Even though people for the internet like Charlie, I'm not day anyway. They insult me. Black Rasta. You can't take there. You say you want me to call you Black Rasta. I say you be pasta. You be Indomie. You be Indomie. Yeah. Sister, they will buy you plus air fried or for shukura jansh. I will chop you. See me, I go buy diamonds on my neck. You are a very stupid guy. You are a very foolish guy. You are a very unthinkable, misthinkable, non-thinkable, stupid, this thing. How can you speak that way? How can you speak like Aquala? You know the things that, but man, before you go buy diamonds, you for buy houses, you for buy lands, you for do business. Before you go wear this thing for your neck, and tell every get to it. Don't see them like if I wear them, so yeah, so no, if my money way, I get all my money way. Bad man. This is just the least. Nigga just want to look good. Me, I like chains already. Me, that my life already. If you ask my father, he could tell me those are the people steal my father in chain and wear. Then I guess I'm a small boy from my area, yeah. Those is if you can't give me father in chain. I confess. Can't give me father in chain so make I wear it. He didn't believe me, my boy. He said I like chains. Ask him, my small boy. Nigga love chains, man. So I told myself I'm gonna work hard and just get some good shit on my neck. But man, those say be good, man. They say good. Nigga, right now we're going to Rubies. Go check Rubies online, nigga. This is the things where if you wear for your neck, wear at least, yeah, you sell one. This one will be sell how many times I want. If my face maybe I don't need that one neck again. Just you know, just rotate them like this. And this one, in price will rise. In price will rise. You know, yeah, recently, P Square, he go out his box. He said, Then people say cars and things. Cars, Batman, cars. You go drive car. Everybody go depreciate. But I see diamond, they appreciate. You don't know life. You did there, you can't did there. Somebody did and they go buy diamond. You know the build hospital. You need to do water farm. You need to do liar. Remember recently where I launched my Shatta app. People are loving it. Even though the marketing is slow, people are still loving it. People are supporting it. People are talking about it. And that's the whole idea. People should talk about it. Because it has to get to the people that I want to create those employments for, so they can also be making money, so we can make money together and build the country. Don't you have sense to create something so that somebody can also benefit from it? Are you stupid? Are you that stupid? Black pastor, are you that stupid? No, are you okay? Are you okay? That you can go on an interview and all you go there to do is to just tarnish Shatta Wale's image and constantly like that. I don't have time to take a Google talk. Make I tell you, you people have made Ghana music look like it's an institution where somebody comes school with somebody for can learn something. Y'all niggas can't show anybody shit. And all those artists where you did that way, somebody will see like, no, you for just, but man, live your life properly. Don't let anybody do you shit. Yo, everybody be big person where you from place comes from place. So you know, if you tell me say nurses go fit they work, the nurses go fit talk say, no, this patient he come, you know the respect, so they know what this patient, they don't know what this patient. You can never be a nurse or a doctor and do like that. You will be sacked. You will be sacked. But we're there in an industry where every time they want to talk about somebody in character, somebody in behavior, somebody in personal life, somebody in life, somebody in this thing. The person come out as a discussion. So nobody, no Ghana artists come out or Ghana actress or those people for the interview. None of them came out. But sometimes the way you both do it is too ugly, it's too dirty. It doesn't make showbiz look good. Or you think Nigerians know they watch us? They are watching us from afar, and all the things they are hearing from Ghana is beef. When will you guys stop this bullshit? Like when somebody do they know they talk, but when I can't do then they talk. Recently, when Pastor say I go die, and Pastor talk I go die, people they interview him, bloggers they copy him because they happy say funeral, big funeral, they come Ghana, make everybody can eat some chicken. You know be anything, You know be anything say everybody we say Shatta, when a pastor say Shatta, nobody talk anything. But as in the country. Oh, why Shatta for talk say that? What Jimmy say why for talk that? What Jimmy? Why for talk for that? The guy talks for that. So people they wait to die. What Jimmy? I sacrifice myself for the whole Ghana. Make them stop that foolish prophecy. Right now, if you pastor, can't do prophecy. Can't talk say somebody could die. Shouts to Down Parry, man. I don't even go talk anything long, but yeah, sometimes once in a while we need somebody to come and change something. Down Parry just didn't come to chop IG for anything. This was one of his fulfilled missions that God wanted him to change. Because yeah, maybe who knows? We all know. You don't know me, I don't know you. The way they talk to God, you don't understand. So God will connect me to people that have to solve problems and we find solutions to. People will link me to those people. It might come in your eyes like, oh no, the way the thing they look right, you know. But that is how God planned it. You can't plan it. Shut up. Shut up. Can't then sometimes people just don't want to listen to the truth, and if the matter happen with me, I can't talk, then I look bad person. Because no, but Shatta, like the way he's saying, like to me, like diplomatic about that's a day, right? And I don't get diplomatic passport. Don't come and worry me with your nonsense. Diplomatic for where? When matter they happen, they tell me I can do diplomatic. Are you stupid? Have you been to a war before? Do you know how working in certain African countries? Do you know what happened? Do you think it was diplomatic? Fire no they burn you. Don't talk. Because the person with the fire the bend, he be in for shout. When we are talking about solutions upon solutions, then you want to fight problems upon problems. That's why most of you in Ghana there, you get problem. That's why you get problem. Plenty get problem. You get problem because you see solution where you know make way to that solution. You just want to fight problems. Nigga, I'm telling you, trust me, you won't make it if you think like this. You won't make it if your brother buy diamond. You won't convince people, make people understand, say, the guy is not sensible, he's not smart. Black Rasta, me I buy houses and everything, before they buy these things for my neck. Ask my boys, so they go tell you. Me I buy everything. Maybe you don't know, but I tell you. I tell you. Make you understand. I'm doing business. Make you understand. If you want me to tell you, I'll tell you. That way I've got in my life by His grace. Grandma, if you don't change your mind, you won't get there. And man, you know the system. Like me, Ghana music, go talk truth, Apart from that, remember, I'll be the next person where in music make billions of dollars. Forget everything I tell you. Forget everything I tell you. You know Ghana music and the system where they don't start. You know what royalties alone go do for me? Hey, they can't tell me saying I don't do anything for my family. Hey, me I be the only artist where the time I start come out, I put my songs out for free. Make my fans enjoy. Make my fans enjoy. Make my fans enjoy. Me. That time they look for iTunes because you want quick money. People want quick money. So everybody iTunes, this thing. Me, line links and YouTube finish. Those times because I know they monitor my YouTube. I was just giving it to my fans for free. You think that wasn't sacrifice enough? So if God blesses me today and I'm living my life, you want to come and tell me that you know much about my life? You know go fish show me nothing. You know go fish show me nothing, my brother. I did tell you. I did tell you something. I did tell you. Trust me. I did tell you because you see the thinking. You for us stop rushing. These teeth you the see me brushing. On God me I promise. Listen lyrics.
20 million years you know if you stop me. I am the news and I'll make you keep talking. How many years you want to block me? I'm like the air, you know if you catch me. This fucking beats me up.
Maybe they can show me artists for Ghana, We play all in songs, we all hits. Standard. Maybe they can show me. We in now playing beats in master. We put them out the song.
Abusia for where they mean kasa bebre. And why would you need to attain some in some of the in your bema or kasa in your bema na no ya. Minim bitterness a wedding moon and I mean how he has to attack this message. What I say, it's here the Mubesia. Me did you mediate a promedini limo elicum quame and na edumekwe eso ya say need to say and throw beer and money at the embo changes in the emma. Because for at Xposed here as if a notification button near the at all. Subscribe and share. I not in some na a problem. That's Sunday. Bye bye.
Only for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dan and a wasie and a open chance papa a de apostle and a dan wutimo na senso to a nuno enuntia ma wonna akwakoye Basabasa any enne media sempa enam natural things e bie wo mo ensem e de amasa krofoni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo aje womo atum ni true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda